Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Analytics to Shopify. Before we start, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. Adding Google Analytics to your Shopify store can be beneficial for multiple reasons, so let's jump into it. I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that right. It's very simple. So the first step you want to do is just to load up Shopify like I have here, and you just want to be on your dashboard where you can find your store. And then next up, you just want to go to the left hand side where there's all these options and just go to the very bottom where it says apps. Go ahead and click on that, and here it will show you all of the apps that you currently have installed. But as you can see, I haven't actually added Google Analytics yet. What we want to type in is Google Analytics, and then just click enter to search, and it will open a new tab here. And here I'll give you a load of different results for Google Analytics. Now I suggest just choosing the one with the highest rating. So this one's got 57, 4.8 stars, so we know we can trust this one. So what you have to do is click on it, and then all you have to do to install it is select install. It's that easy. As you can see, it easily connect your store to Google Analytics for in under 2 minutes. No coding required. It's literally that easy. Just install it and the app has been added to your store. Then as you can see with these photos, you'll be able to see things like this, which can be really beneficial. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share it to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.